Today, I'll guide you through the process of removing the background from a video in Premiere Pro. Let's get started. First, head over to the Effects panel and search for Color Key. Once found, drag and drop it onto your video clip on the timeline. Next, navigate to the Effect Controls panel. Scroll down to find the Color Key effect applied to your video clip. Click on the small dropper icon next to it. Now, move your cursor to the preview screen and click on a part of your background that you want to remove. This will key out that color. To better visualize your work, click on the wrench icon and select Transparency Grid from the options. This will help you see which parts of the background have been removed. Adjust the settings such as color tolerance, edge thin, and edge feather until the background is completely removed. However, be cautious not to remove the foreground objects along with it. Continue tweaking these settings until you're satisfied with the result. It may take some trial and error to achieve the desired effect. As an optional step, you can move your video to layer 2 and import your own background into the video. This allows you to replace the removed background with a new one. And there you have it. That's how you remove the background from a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.